So guys, here I have a Samsung washing machine 80T504DAEA, and today I will show you how you can clean the mesh filter. So you should clean the mesh filter once or twice for a year, and to do it you have to turn off your washing machine, close the water tap and take out the water supply. After that, with the tool you have to grab this blue element and turn it to the left side. Just give me a second. After that, just take it out, clean under the water, and to put it back again, just push it and turn to the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.